Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about S&P 500. So let's get started. This is the chart I made, S&P 500 weekly chart on July 22nd, 2023. This is a weekly chart, and this is like a harmonic pattern, right? Both studies are very important, harmonic patterns, and the harmonic pattern is basically Elliott wave. So Elliott wave is the one. Uh, but yeah, I look both ways. So this is, was a pattern, right? So I said, okay, somewhere here, we're going to make the turn, right? So what happened to this chart is, and I said, no, so like possibility is that it may jump and then, go above and then go to 46.34. But the idea was that if we can stay below 45.50, which is this one, right? So it is stopping here because of the extension 127. So what happened to this chart is this. So it went up a little bit, as I said, and almost touching the 46.34, then start to drop, right? So, and then it dropped all the way where I said that it's going to come. Well, I said here, but, came all the way. This was the idea that it's going to drop, and then outer TL was there, showing that maybe that's where it is going, and it went straight to the downside here in October. We touched that. And then I made another chart saying that if we can hold above this, then what will happen? So I made this chart, and it came actually, it started to go up and then came down a little bit more to this level. I was expecting that it will bounce from 40 to 16, and here it came down to 4,100 finally, right? So I said, okay, now it looks like, exact calculation. It's Fibonacci 61% retracement and a very nice strong level, right? So I made the chart that's going to go up here. It's going to be like a bullish flag now, and it's going to break that and then go to this number, 46.34, and maybe wave 5 will end up here, 48.16 somewhere, right? So what happened to this chart is started to go up, hit the TL, the upper TL of that bullish flag, then it started to go up and all the way here. Then I still made the chart here that no, it's continue going to the upside. And this was the area, was my target, 127 extension from here to here, 127 extension, and from this to this, between wave 3 and 4 extension, 127 also was coming exactly the same place. So I made the chart that we are going to go there, and then we will see what happened. This is February 10th this year, 2024. What happened to this chart? Remember this area, and you can see that, boom, as of today, 11th March 2024, we are here, we touched the target, and we posted what? It is like a doji, right? It's a doji is a very strong reversal candlestick formation, right? Single stick candlestick formation, and it's a reversal one, and it's a bearish reversal one, right? So it's a very strong sign, and also you can see that this is one of the biggest straight move to the upside, biggest move. See, you have move, retracement, move, retracement, move, retracement, move, retracement, then retracement, move, retracement. Then this was a big move, but this one is still smaller than this. So far from here, 2021 to now, this is, you can see that it's the biggest move. And even if you go behind, I mean, like, for example, let me go here. See, this one, this is a very big move, but it still has dips in it, right? Here, there. But this one, look at that. This is like a crazy move, right? No dip, just a little more small dip here, and then all of a sudden. So I think that if we stay here, if we stay below, remember that 51.55 is the area, 51.74. We hit that, and we kind of getting a stop here. And I think we're gonna stop, and then if we stop and drop, this would be the target to come down. Just like here, we stopped here and then came down to this level here before bouncing, right? So if, at least we will come down to this. So that's what I think. Now, the thing is that from this time here, this was last year, October, actually 2023, yeah, October, right? It started to go up there, So how do you get in? How do you make, take the trade? What is the criteria? So everybody has their own, system or a strategy, whatever, to get into the trade, right? Let me show you mine and see how it looks like. This is my chart, not my chart. This is the heck. No, okay, this is the live chart, right? That was recording charts, right? Recorded. And this is the live chart. And let me show you my 40-minute chart of S&P 500, which is look like this. So October 2023 was here, October 30, 2023. And it went up. And since from here, that was, I would not count my system entry because it never touched the yellow line. So, and after that, look at that. Entry here, got out, break even. This is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry, beautiful entry. All this time, this one, this one, this one, this one, this. So many entries since then. The whole October 2023. That's October, November, December, January, February, and we are in March, and it's keep going to the upside. So now it is coming down here. Let's see what happened, but I think that we this is the area that we just saw the weekly chart, so we're probably going to come down, right? And now I have another smaller time frame that if it's going to make the turn, and I will be looking for this to go short from here. Okay, this is all bullish, bullish, bullish. But I need to fix this chart. But this is another. Would that 40-minute is the big. If you want like a longer time frame trader, right? You can take the entries from here. But a smaller time frame is this to make the entry. But first, we need to see if we can go below this. Become bearish here. All right, but look at this. These are the beautiful setups going all the way to the upside. So this is it for now. If for S&P. Now I wanted to. I have charts for all the indices like Nasdaq, DAX, Nikkei, what else? Gold. All of that, right? But I thought maybe it's gonna be information in one place. Too much information in one place. So I'm gonna make separate video for each indices and the gold, right? So this is it for only S&P 500. Almost the same thing is happening everywhere else, but let me show you in a separate video so that you can keep the information separate, that this is what's happening in US S&P and the other. You see all the levels here. If it's gonna drop, where the heck is gonna go? This is the first level. This is the second level here, right? And you can draw a TL here, so it's gonna be pretty far from right now. But yeah. You can do that, and let's say, for example, and then just watch, right? So I'll be watching, and if you're going to make the turn, it will become bearish, and then I'll post the chart. So I'm going to send these chart that I'm showing, and I'm going to post on my Telegram for my subscribers, and they'll take it from there. So let's see this. This is how you make the channel. So you take this length here, right? You connect in this, take the parallel line and put it right there on the top and see what happens. See that? We are just a little bit shy, and that this level is stopping it, right? But if you take the last two, you will see that we hit. For example, if you take the TL from here, then, but the thing is, the problem is that you cannot use this length here. Right? We have to use this one, which is not the good one because we went all the way outside. Now I can see, you can see the Elliott wave count here is wave 1, ABC 2, 3, 4, extended wave 5. Right? So obviously the correction is supposed to be coming, but the question is this the area that the correction should be coming? That is the key. When it is going to make the turn. Per-minute turn. Now, see these two black candles, and after that is a powerful big golden candle. Something like that we need. Maybe this week we're gonna get it. Last week it's like a half confirmation already. So doji is like, okay, I am thinking about making a turn. For example, here it was like a doji, right? Here, and that's what it is. And right after that, you have a powerful bullish candle, and here we go. So it's okay, done deal. It's gone. Here, the same thing, right? Drop, drop, drop. You have a doji. And then after that, a bullish candle, done deal is going. Here, It's like, tweezer bottom, right? 2 weeks in the bottom, done deal, going to the upside. That's what it is. So this week, let's see what happened. And if we somehow post a black candle here, nice and clean, that is the sign that we're going to go to the downside. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful new trading week. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, because I'm going to make the chart. This is S&P 500, and I'll do it US 30, NASDAQ, Nikkei, DAX, and gold, one by one. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And by the way, if you want the system to get the system here, the entry system and all of that, right? And my analysis and all of that, then you can go on my website and subscribe. My website name is creativetradingsystems.com. This video is basically I wanted to make for my subscribers, but I'm going to make this public as well, right? No big deal. Because our main thing is the Telegram, the main charts, 40-minute, 20-minute entries, and Forex. So that would be my for my subscribers. This post on the as a public video, no problem. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Stop recording.